So I need your help. A lot of help. And it echoes in here really bad. So what am I talking about? Well, yesterday I got a little ahead of myself because the best Christmas gift that anyone could have gotten me, I got my space back. The space that once was mine for the studio, in which my daughter moved back home, which we all have that. So here's a look at the space. The door had to come off to get furniture out. So I'm really rethinking what I want to do and how I want to plan out the studio space again, since I have the time. And before I junk it back up, and I had, not junk it back up, but I had other furniture in here, and that has been repurposed, and now I have nothing. So that got me to thinking that some of the walls need patched, needs a new paint job, probably can make an interesting wall and a backdrop for tutorials or something like that. And the ceiling definitely needs fixed. But door needs cut down because it's, I don't know, let's see if you can see this. The door was rubbing because of all the rain and humidity that we've had around here. However, I have a holiday sale going on right now, and yesterday I went to Lowe's and to another home improvement store, got some junk just to get started, but realized it's gonna make one heck of a mess. So like I said, it might get extended, and I'll put the links and everything down below, but I'm a little embarrassed about where all my stock is. And as you can tell, the studio room is there, and when my daughter moved back in, it went to here, the closet right outside the studio room, and it is embarrassing. Very embarrassing. I've got tons of stuff, just tons and tons of fiber and stuff in this closet. Not only in this closet, let's shut this door, I have stuff in this closet as well. My lonely spinning wheel has been in my bedroom, in the corner there, for quite some time. In my bedroom closet, of course, I've got more yarn. There's 2.5 pounds of fiber in there, just waiting to be spun. Have to show you this. This is the sweater that took me 8.5 months to make. I'll also put that in the links below. My husband finally wore it on Christmas, so I put the drying rack back up in here, and then I just got all kind of happy that I got my space back without realizing the extra dog in the house, who is a black lab who likes to, I don't know, like roll around on the floor, and he's scratching the walls, and I love the little guy, but he's not so little, but I love him. But yeah, he's created a challenge for me because I really wanted to move back in here really quick and get things set back up. I also have these up on the marketplace on Facebook if anyone's interested. I'll give you a discount. They've been up there for a while because I was going to get rid of them. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them ever again. I don't know. And yeah, I have all my tables that I use for dyeing and my warping boards in there. So I have to clean out not only the existing stock, I have to move the stock that's undyed yet from out of there and patch, sand, mail out packages. Please help me out with that. And we'll get the studio looking good again. It's too much in the crate. Oh, I tripped over a dog boy. So there it is. This is the stuff that needs to go. Come help me out. I'll see you there. I'm going to set up a makeshift printing station. So if this is something that you like, please like this video, subscribe if that's something you do. I'll see you in the next one. Go ahead, bark. Bark. That's a big boy bark. Is it? Nice and loud, loud and proud.